please welcome to our stage, Gayle Danley.
When I was in second grade, I colored everything black. That's so this girl, this beautiful girl named Cosetta Sims. Say her name for me. Say it like you just had some collard greens. Come on, say Cosetta. Stop messing with me. Saying it proper, like you had a little hummus. I said collard green. Bring it up from the belly. Say Cosetta. Sims. I used to give her all my crayon. Red, yellow, purple, green, mauve, peach. I wanted her pictures pretty, like she was. Can you tell where this is heading? 10 years ago, I saw her at the high school what? Say it louder, the high school. I walked in like I was Janet Jackson. Can I show you? Okay, give me a little bit of R-E-S-P-E-C. On the count of 3, you ready? And a little Aretha, come on.
R-E-S-P-E-C-T, find out what it means to me. R-E-S-P-E-C-T, take care of TCB.
Guess who I saw first? Yank her eyes off me, I changed. I had become 140, give or take, pounds of cleavage and class. I went up to Cosetta and I said, I said, I'm a poet, Cosetta. I said, I go all over the world, baby. And I show young people the power and the beauty and the privilege of words. And all Cosetta could look at me and mumble was, oh, well, that's really nice, Gayle. I mean, come on, we always knew you would turn out special, whatever, it didn't matter. I didn't tell her, right? 20 years earlier, I would have sold my mama just for the chance to be Cosetta for 3 minutes. But you see, some things, even Cosetta didn't need to know. But you know what? I do think, great. I think it would be a good idea for you to go back with a poem, something from your heart, and share it with them and encourage them to do the same. That's so beautiful. Like move all the chairs, get everything out of the way, get on the floor and say, look here, look here, you can do this too. Look here, baby. I was writing about, you know, when I lost my father, and then somebody's gonna look at you and say, oh, you lost your daddy too? Then you're all bonded. It's wonderful.